Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today. Let's make quick and delicious plantain fritter. And if you like today's recipe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, also like and share this video. And to make today's snacks, you will be needing 4 plantain, 2 ripe plantain and 2 overripe plantain. Go ahead and wash your plantain, then peel off the back, then use your kitchen knife to slice them into smaller pieces into your mixing bowl. So next, use a kitchen fork or a masher to mash your plantain. So once you are done mashing your plantain, go ahead and add in your chicken. I use a grater to grate my chicken. Then add your chopped tomatoes, your blended pepper, your carrots, and also your chopped bell pepper. Next, add in your 1 raw egg. So for today's recipe, I'm using only 1 egg. After you are done, use your spatula to start mixing until everything is properly mixed. So once you are done mixing your mashed plantain and the vegetables together, go ahead and add some spices to it. So here I'm going to be adding dried parsley leaf, mixed dried seasoning herbs. I'll also be adding powdered white onion and also powdered garlic. Also remember to add a pinch of salt to taste. So after you're done adding all the spices, go ahead and use your spatula to mix everything together. So once I'm done mixing, I'm going to cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, place an empty pan on the heat, then spray some vegetable oil and let it heat up. And after that, scoop in your mixed plantain and meat into your frying pan. After scooping in the plantain mix into your frying pan, let it cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, use a spatula to check if your plantain is brown enough. Then flip the other side and let it cook on a low heat again for another 5 more minutes. So 5 minutes later, use your spatula to take out your snacks off the heat. Repeat the same process with the remaining plantain mixture. Finally, my plantain fritter is ready now. As you can see on your screen, it all came out very nice and delicious. And if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a try and also tell us what you think about it on the comment section. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. A big shout out to my old and new subscribers. Thanks for always tuning in. See you guys in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.